Welcome and thank you for listening to this Paragon Edge audio blog. Today, we're taking a closer look at what really happens when you make a payment and why it's anything but simple behind the scenes. From a purchaser's point of view, a retail payment transaction may seem simple. You tap your card on the POS machine, it makes a satisfying beep, and you're on your way with whatever you just bought. Quick and easy. Consumers don't see that behind every successful payment transaction, there is a complex fabric of issuers, acquirers, processors, gateways, and all their connected networks, applications, and technologies working together. Any disruption in this ecosystem can lead to failed transactions, lost sales, and unhappy customers. Ensuring payment system availability, reliability, and security is more than just making a series of technical connections. It has become a business imperative. Organizations that fail to provide the payment services that modern consumers demand or maintain their payment system infrastructure to the standards required by card schemes, government regulators, or industry peers will eventually experience declining revenues, reputational damage, eroding shareholder value, and even fines and penalties. Testing plays a critical role in identifying the defects and vulnerabilities that cause outages, preventing organizations from delivering seamless and secure payment transactions. By proactively implementing a robust testing strategy, financial institutions and payment processors can optimize efficiency, reduce operational costs, and perhaps most importantly, provide a superior payment experience on every customer interaction. The complexity of payment systems has grown dramatically in recent years. Meeting consumer expectations for checkout speed, convenience, and choice requires financial services companies to support an ever-expanding range of payment methods, from traditional credit and credit cards to EMV chip and contactless to digital wallets, P2P payments, as well as a growing trend toward buy now, pay later, BNPL options. Each of these transactions involves multiple players, unique regulatory requirements, and security layers. Without a streamlined and rigorous payment testing program, organizations may struggle to keep up with evolving industry demands, leading to processing errors, service outages, compliance failures, and even security breaches. To navigate this intricate landscape, businesses must invest in designing and implementing a comprehensive strategy for testing their payment systems, applications, and processes. To keep mission-critical payment system components operating at peak efficiency, financial service providers must utilize a variety of testing programs designed specifically to address different aspects of the payment processing value chain. There are several key types of testing that should be prioritized to ensure the reliability and security of payment systems. Functional testing verifies that the fundamental processes of a payment system operate as intended. This includes transaction authorization, clearing and settlement, refunds, chargebacks, and payment reversals. By validating each workflow, businesses can prevent common processing errors that lead to failed payments and customer frustration. Regression testing is essential because payment platforms frequently undergo updates to introduce new features, integrate with external partners, or comply with evolving regulations. This type of testing ensures that new changes do not inadvertently break existing functionality. By continuously testing system components as they evolve, businesses can maintain service continuity and avoid unexpected disruptions. Performance testing plays a critical role in preparing systems to handle anticipated transaction volumes and unexpected spikes, especially during peak periods like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or high-demand events such as major sporting events or large concerts. It assesses the system's responsiveness, stability, and scalability under heavy loads, ensuring that transactions are processed correctly without failure or service degradation. Security testing addresses the significant risks posed by fraud, cyber threats, and data breaches. It involves activities such as penetration testing, encryption validation, and fraud detection assessments to identify vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. This type of testing is vital for protecting sensitive financial data and maintaining customer trust. Finally, compliance and certification testing ensures that payment systems meet the stringent requirements set by industry organizations and regulatory bodies. It verifies adherence to standards such as PCI DSS, EMV, PSD2, and network specifications from card schemes like Visa and MasterCard, as well as regional debit networks. Noncompliance can result in financial penalties and operational restrictions, making this form of testing a crucial aspect of payment system management. While automation cannot replace manual testing, the growing complexity of payment ecosystems makes automation an indispensable part of a modern testing strategy. Implementing automated testing solutions complements the activities of experienced testing and QA resources so that they can focus on complex edge cases and higher value tasks like fighting payment card fraud. Automated testing for payment systems offers several key advantages. It enables faster detection and resolution of defects and issues, ensuring that problems are identified and addressed early in the development cycle. It also improves testing accuracy and consistency by reducing the risk of human error, which is especially important in complex, high-volume transaction environments. Additionally, automation increases resource productivity and operational efficiency, allowing teams to focus on higher-value tasks while maintaining rigorous testing standards. It's 2025, and past time to automate your payment testing operations. Download our best practices guide today. A well-executed payment testing strategy directly contributes to a company's bottom line. Today's sophisticated consumers expect a payment experience that meets their requirements for speed, convenience, and ease of use. A well-tested system ensures fast, error-free transactions, increasing customer satisfaction and loyalty. Businesses that provide a superior customer payment experience can gain a competitive edge in the market. Innovation in the payments sector is driven by both changing consumer behavior and evolving technologies such as EMV chip cards, ISO 2022 messaging standards, and real-time payment networks. To remain competitive, financial services providers must rapidly develop and deploy new payment solutions without compromising quality or security. Automated testing solutions speed up product development cycles, enabling faster time to market for new offerings. Identifying and correcting payment system issues before they go live reduces the cost of troubleshooting, customer support, and chargeback disputes. Automated testing further drives cost savings by minimizing manual intervention and optimizing resource allocation. Web-based testing solutions offer opportunities to reduce the costs of testing infrastructure. Payment fraud and chargebacks cost businesses billions annually. Effective testing helps fight fraud and enables organizations to respond more quickly when fraud situations occur. Ensuring that all transactions are processed and routed correctly can minimize the incidence of chargebacks. Non-compliance with payment regulations can lead to financial penalties and reputational damage. Robust testing ensures that organizations meet industry standards, avoiding legal consequences and maintaining trust with regulators and customers alike. Strategic implementation and use of testing automation can provide significant benefits to any payment industry business. Improving the speed, accuracy, and efficiency of your testing operations helps ensure that your mission-critical payment systems are available, reliable, and secure anytime and anywhere that customers want to make a payment. With decades of expertise in payment testing, Paragon Application Systems provides advanced testing solutions designed specifically to meet the needs of financial institutions, acquirers, issuers, and payment processors. Our innovative testing tools enable businesses to improve the speed, accuracy, and efficiency of their testing operations while validating transaction flows with real-world use cases. They help detect and address security vulnerabilities before they become threats and ensure compliance with regulatory and network requirements. In addition, Paragon's solutions optimize system performance to handle peak transaction workloads and contribute to reduced operational costs, making them an essential part of a modern payment strategy. By partnering with Paragon, organizations can streamline their payment testing processes to increase efficiency, improve business agility, and enhance overall profitability. Thank you for listening to our audio blog.